Have you ever wondered how offshore wind turbines are installed? The process is a sophisticated and multistage operation, comprising several crucial steps to ensure these towering structures can harness the power of the wind efficiently. Here are the key stages involved in the installation of offshore wind turbines. Pre-installation site preparation. The first step involves surveying the seabed to identify any potential obstacles or hazards. If needed, the seabed might be leveled or dredged to establish a stable foundation for the turbine. Foundation installation. Specialized vessels equipped with drilling machinery install the turbine foundation, usually large steel monopiles or jackets. These foundations are secured into the seabed using hydraulic hammers. Turbine installation. Once the foundations are in place, dedicated installation vessels transport the turbines to the site. These vessels hoist the nacelle and rotor blades onto the tower and then bolt the turbine to the foundation. Cable installation. Specialized cable-laying vessels deploy a variety of techniques to bury the cables into the seabed, creating an underwater network that connects the turbines to an offshore substation. Commissioning. Upon installation of the turbines and cables, the wind farm undergoes thorough testing to verify that it is operating correctly. The system must pass essential electrical, safety, and performance tests before it is fully commissioned. The foundation required for the wind turbine largely depends on the depth of the water in which it is being installed. For depths below 15 meters, monopiles, which are sturdy steel cylinders anchored directly to the seabed, are used. Depths below 30 meters call for a gravity foundation system, a concrete or steel platform. Depths between 30 to 35 meters require a more intricate support structure, such as jackets. These lattice framework foundations have multiple anchoring points and a transition piece that connects to the turbine shaft, while the legs are secured to the seabed with piles. Each step of the installation process plays a pivotal role in ensuring the successful establishment of offshore wind turbines, which are essential contributors to clean and renewable energy generation.